Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. I have already uploaded your main reading, your main general reading, and your extended reading, and many more readings for you. You can have a look on that too. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your general bonus love reading and let's see what are the messages. So please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April 2021. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver to them? What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, so I got 3 cards for you, Aquarius, in which says that you need to discover your courage here, dragon. Keep your courage with you. You are very powerful. You are having a lot of strength and courage inside of you. Just discover your courage. Don't worry, be happy. Dolphin is here. Do not worry at all. Be happy whatever situation you are going through, because can you see how there are a lot of here I can say angels and fairies who are helping this girl to move in a forward direction, who is helping to cross this sea. Can you see how beautiful image is here? So don't worry, the dolphins are here with you. You are not alone. You will find the solution. You just have to keep your courage with you. Do not worry, be happy. Then there is knowledge. Seek knowledge here, Aquarius. That means in this picture I can see that you are dealing with some kind of past life relationship. You are dealing with some relationships with whom you have spent many past lives together here. So you just need to have some more knowledge about that thing. Keep your knowledge with you here, Aquarius. Okay, see, marriage is here. Maybe you are married to this person or you are going to get married to this person, but seek knowledge. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Death. In your main reading too, I got the death card. A time of natural transition and transformation. There is snake. Your intuition and healing powers will guide you to a better path, but be careful. Okay, then there is goal. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. And there is world. Be open to new possibilities in all areas of your life. So you're completing a cycle, you are closing out a old cycle and you are starting a new cycle here. There is death and rebirth. Transformation is taking place. There is snake. Use your intuitions here and healing powers that will guide you, but be careful. Then there is goals. Progress is positive here, Aquarius, and you will achieve all the goals and your personal goals because the progress is positive. Any other message? There is some kind of wish which is coming for you. Okay, wish fulfillment is here. So your wish is going to get, your heart desire is ready to come true. Your wish fulfillment is coming true here, Aquarius. So whatever you are wishing for, that is going to come here, Aquarius. That is ready to come true. Then there is judgment. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. Do your soul searching. Come ask your soul that what your souls want. Some kind of judgment is here. Maybe you have to make some kind of judgment, but before making that judgment you have to do your soul searching. Then there is angel. Your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. See, I told you, you are not alone at all, Aquarius. There is an angels which are protecting you on your spiritual journey. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Osho Zen Tarot deck. Wow, see, guidance. Guidance is here. You are not alone at all, Aquarius, and there is Fool here. Guidance and Fool. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. The guidance is here with you. You are not alone at all, Aquarius. Okay, the angel is here. The divine is here to help you out. The guidance is available for you. Just go with the flow. The same message is here. You just need to go with the flow. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April. Give me the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver? You are going through with lot of stress here, Aquarius, but do not worry at all. I'm not going to take it. It just fell out from my... Let me see more cards first. Any other message for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message for Aquarius? Wow, rebirth. See, rebirth is here again. Death and rebirth is here. Understanding, receptivity. Let's see more message. Intensity. Any other message for Aquarius? Trust. Okay. Yes, universe, understand, and even you have to understand that you are not alone, Aquarius. Keep your trust in the universe, in the divine, and don't think that don't think like that you are alone. You are not alone at all. Okay, the divine is with you, the universe is with you. If you're feeling like stressed out, so get out of this zone. Why I'm saying this because there is rebirth which is taking place for you. See, death and rebirth. In your main reading too, there was death energy was there. Death and rebirth transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. There is thunderbolt. This is divine intervention. Divine is intervening in your situations, and this happens so that you can make the necessary changes which are important for you. So that you can make necessary, which changes which are important for you. So that's why this intervention is happening in your life. There are sudden changes which are happening in your life here. Then there is maturity. Maturity is happening for you, Aquarius. You are becoming more mature than before. More mature than before. Open up to receive. Receptivity is here. Beautiful things, blessings and opportunities are coming for you, Aquarius, but you need to be open up so that you can receive them. So receptivity message is here. Then there is intensity. Lot of intensity is here. So yes, there is a message of intensity. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? There is someone who is thinking about you a lot. Happy family wants to come out. Someone wants to make a family with you, Aquarius. Okay, someone wants to get married with you. Let me see more message. Healer of the ages. Healing is coming for you. Appreciation. And wow, can you see how the mirror numbers is here? 5, 1 and 1, 5. 5, 1 and 1, 5. Healing is coming for you, Aquarius. Lot of healing is happening for you. And there is appreciation. You are going to receive lot of appreciation. Someone wants to create happy family with you. 10 of Cups energy. 5th chakra. See, I just cut say someone is having blocked throat chakra, but now the throat chakra is getting open up. So if you are having blocked throat chakra, this is the message for you that your throat chakra is getting activated here. With the Archangel Gabriel, your fifth chakra, your throat chakra is getting activated. And now you are becoming, now you can communicate your things very much clearly. Then there is rest and rejuvenate yourself. You right now you have to rest and rejuvenate yourself here, Aquarius. Can you see? Healing is coming for you. So yes, you have to take care of yourself. Maybe you are working a lot, so you have to take care of yourself. Do your meditation, take care of your body, rest and rejuvenate your body, mind and soul, the world again. So you're completing a cycle with you are closing out a cycle, that is for sure here. So you are closing out a cycle. Door to spirit is opening up for you. Very powerful, very beautiful card. See, beautiful things are coming for you in the month of April. Any other message? Wow, what else you want, Aquarius? Wow, wow, wow. This is cornucopia. This is the I can say this is the best fortunate card in this whole deck. Okay, good fortune is coming for you. Abundance of everything is coming for you, Aquarius. And can you see how this is 1133? There's a lot of number synchronicities which I can see in this reading. 1133. Door to romance is also opening up. Door to spirit and door to romance, both are opening up. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having woman holding a heart. Someone wants to give you a heart here, Aquarius. And can you see how this three numbers is 113344? So yes, it has been increasing. The ascension is taking place for you, Aquarius. Then there is goddess of moon. Use your intuitions. You are very much intuitive right now. There is sun here. This is the happiest big card in that whole tarot deck. And there is caring connections. New happy beginnings in your caring connections, in your love life is going to happen here. I told you someone wants to make a family with you, Aquarius. They want a new start with you. Yeah, that's right. They want to create a new happy beginning with you. Okay, there is someone who loves you a lot and they want to create a new happy beginning with you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what is the message from the fairies. Wow, I told you new beginnings. I just cut it out and this is the message for you. New beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. That is for sure in the month of April. April is going to be a very good fortunate month for you, Aquarius. Lot of beautiful things are coming for you in the field of love, in terms of financial terms, okay, in terms of money, career, love, family, everywhere the abundance is coming for you. Now let's see what is the message. Divination. See, so embrace your power of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see your current situation with crystal clear clarity. So many of you can be a tarot reader, okay, many of you, because you are very intuitive right now, Aquarius. I told you there was a energy of goddess of the moon here. Can you see? Your intuitions are very much high right now. So use your crystal clear clarity. You can use your ability because you can see right now your current situation here with the crystal clear clarity. Okay, just embrace the power of divination. Embrace your powers. Beautiful, very beautiful message from here. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add one message from the healing mantra deck. Amplifying abundance. See, I told you lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius, and this is the healing mantra for you. Abundance is my birthright and I receive it now. Okay, and you are abundant of everything, Aquarius. You just need to say this. You can use this sentence for yourself, that abundance is my birthright and I receive it now. Lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. I told you this. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from this deck. What is the message for Aquarius? Too many cards. What are the message? Unplug. See, same message. You need to take rest and rejuvenate yourself, Aquarius. Okay, so unplug yourself, rest and rejuvenate. Recharge your soul batteries by unplugging from the digital world. Connect with yourself by disconnecting from distractions such as other people, to-do lists. Take a stroll. The best way to generate fresh and innovative ideas is to balance the virtual and natural world. The birds in the tree have just as much as to teach you as the internet. So you need to unplug yourself, rest and rejuvenate yourself, recharge your soul batteries here, Aquarius. That's the message I am getting for you. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from the grace cards. Let's see, what are the message? Relax. Same message is here, Aquarius. Again, see, relax. Relax, rest and rejuvenate. Breathe. Everything is happening exactly as it should be. Okay, so relax. Everything is happening exactly as it should be happen according to the divine plan. So that's the message I'm getting here from this deck. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from the crystal spirit. What is the message you want me to deliver to Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius for the month of April? What is the message? Citrine. And there is Dumotterite. Okay. Maybe I don't pronounce it rightly, but these two signs are here. Sometimes this is very difficult to pronounce the names of the crystal spirits, but yeah, I tried my level best to pronounce it rightly. And one of my viewer also comment me that you pronounce it rightly, and thank you for getting me know that I pronounce it rightly. Okay, so the meaning of this citrine is joyful expressiveness, embarrassed and happy, letting go any and all negativity. Beautiful. So letting go of any or all negativity, let go anything which don't serve your highest good. You can use this crystal and embrace happiness here. That's the message I'm getting here for you. And there is Dumorite. This is organization, ordinance, clutter clearing, list making. So see, the same message is here, that you need to cut your anything which declutter the past, anything which don't serve your highest good. You need to cut it out, cut it out and clean it up, clean up your space, clean up your mind. Okay, so these two messages are here from the crystal spirits. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what is the message from the native spirits. And then I'm going to close out your bonus love reading. Let's see, what are the messages for Aquarius? White buffalo. Okay, let me read it out. White buffalo. Abundance and security are flowing in your life. All things are possible. Balance and harmony prevail. You may call upon to stand up for others, but you can do this because you have the support of many beings in the spirit realm. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Very beautiful, Aquarius, and very powerful message for you. So this is the message from the native spirit. Thank you, native spirits, for giving the beautiful message to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.